Hi everyone, thanks for stopping at my channel. Today is Tuesday and it's ready for a mixed media project. I was just digging through a whole bunch of my stash and I wanted to make some fridge magnets. So here's 3 different shapes of canvas tiles that I pulled out. I'm covering them with some black acrylic paint and just laying down some bits and pieces to see what I liked. I put some text paper on the back and used my matte medium to stick it down. I thought this would be a fun little project for maybe a birthday gift or something, and I think it turned out really well. Made it fall with the flowers and the butterflies, and the background of the black is real nice. Just adhering again those pieces of book paper down with my matte medium. I'm going to apply some acrylic paint and just create those layers on these little tiles. Make them into magnets for the fridge. Mine, of course, will go in my craft room. Keep me inspired. It was a fun little project. Gonna let that dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna cover it with some acrylic paint, and I'm gonna use my brayer. This is my favorite color of acrylic paint, and it is called Ocean Blue. And then I'm going to use a light color off-white, and that is called Parchment. I hope you're liking these little mixed media projects. I like to throw a little something different in here and there. Leave in the comments below if you like to see these different things. I'm thinking about doing some small little journals. Maybe next week, I'm not real sure, but if there's something you want to see, please leave it in the comments below. Here's the Parchment acrylic paint, using my brayer again. I think it looks nice. Now I'm going to stick down the elements with the matte gel. Right here I'm using just a little bit of scraps of some birch tree ribbon that I had from a Christmas tree decoration. I actually had it in my Christmas tree, and I thought the birch ribbon was so neat I couldn't throw it away, of course. Here's some strips of black cardstock that was just laying on my desk. Some more of that birch ribbon, and I like that it has these strings hanging off of it. Just adds another layer of texture. I think sets of these would be really great for Christmas presents or a little birthday present. If you can part with them. That's what seems to be my problem. I can't part with them. Now I'm going to dry these layers, cut off the excess that's hanging over, and I'm just going to put down some burnt umber with some, what is that called? Glazing medium, and mix that with the burnt umber makes it move a little bit better on the tiles. I'm dabbing it off with my cloth and just getting it in all of that dimension. It really looks nice in the close-ups. You'll see at the end. Here I just laid down where I wanted everything, and now I'm going to adhere it. Now I'm going to put that tissue butterfly down, and we need to remember that when we're using tissue paper, we want to use the fluid matte medium, not matte gel, because if you use matte gel, it won't get clear behind that tissue paper. Here's some leaves that I cut out from some wallpaper that I thought I would put on the tiles, and to adhere these I'm using the matte gel. I have them all stuck, and then I decide, nope, I need to move the whole group over a little bit. I wanted it to go over the ends of those black strips, so they look like they continue on through the whole front of the tile. You'll see. There I go. Just moving it over, sticking it back down. I like that better. I didn't put a sediment on this one. I didn't think it needed it. It had a lot going on there. Here I just had a butterfly and some leaves that were stuck behind it. I'm not sure where it came from. It was just in my box of stuff. And a little sentiment of dream I thought looked good with the color combinations. Sticking that down with the matte gel. I really like this one. I like the shape and everything. These little dots are from some gears that I cut up. You can see the gear up in the corner on the right. They're the centers from all of the gears I had die cut from a different project, and I saved all the little circles. They were cut out from wallpaper, and they had great texture on them. Just adhering a little sentiment of love underneath that leaf, and I'm leaving the leaf hang off, and I'll cut the excess after it's dry. There, they're all dry. I'll cut off that excess. And now the fun part, the shading, putting on the edging, and bringing it all together. Little corner was falling off there. All right, my favorite part, the shading. I will speed through it, and I did have a video this last week of just on shading. I'll link it below in case you want to see that one. I'm using my charcoal pencil, my bark Inktense pencil, watercolor pencil, and a brush with water, and also a little spray bottle to make that charcoal move or the watercolor move. It's a fun part. I like doing this, but I cut most of it out because it's time consuming. There's the water, just letting it run a bit. Then we're going to do the black edges, and I've been using a Marabou black crayon, art crayon, to do the edges. and put some magnet tape on the back, and they're ready to go. Probably took me a little over an hour with the dry time to do all 3 of these little magnets. I hope you're enjoying my channel. It's fun for me. I really enjoy it. I will list all the supplies on my blog, and down in the description below my video, I'll leave a link to my blog. I hope you're enjoying. Please leave a message again if there's something you want to see. And on Thursday, I will have another card creation, which I'm using rubber nigger stamps, and I'm doing a series. We're on week 3 already. There's the 3 finished pieces. I'm putting the spray fixative on them after we're all done so they don't smudge or smear. Here's some close-up videos for you. Thanks for stopping. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you again next time. Keep crafting!